Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm box, so month of November. So once again, if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly makeup subscription, and this one right here is the base box, which recently they just increased their price to $25. And to me, it's still a deal. It was only an increase in like what, $4 or $5, but I'm still getting a big bang for my buck. I know a lot of people were complaining about the price increase. I really honestly could care less because everything that I'm getting in here is well over what I am paying for it monthly. Now, they recently did just come out with a new box, which is the Boxy Premium. I did do an unboxing of that, so if you have not seen it, I will go ahead and link it up here as well in the description box down below, so definitely check it out and see what I got in that box. But if you are interested in seeing what I got in the base box, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I mentioned, we are going to be unboxing my base box for Boxycharm for the month of November. Now keep in mind there are many variations to the box. This is just the one that I did receive. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what I got in my base box. So this is the inside. In the premium box, it does say premium on the box, and of course the box is bigger than this one. But they do have their insert in here, and as always, this is going to list all the products that are in your box, a small description of them, as well as the retail value of them. They also have coupons here for some of the items that they are having in their boxes. So for this month, we have Nikita's brand, which is Dragon Beauty, and it is 15% off your next purchase over $80. And then Natasha Denona, which is save 30% off the Safari, Sunset, or Eyeshadow Palette 28. And then on the back, you have a bit of information regarding the Boxy Luxe, Boxy Pop-Up, which if you guys don't know about that, it is a pop-up shop where they have up to 80% off of a lot of makeup products, as well as lifestyle, and I think even hair products. I'm not sure about household items. And then information about their complexion customization, because thankfully, Boxycharm is now going to be having complexion products, so it's most likely going to eliminate me having to purchase foundations, which is really the only thing that I actually spend money on now when it comes to makeup, because my subscription boxes take care of everything. So let's get in here. So I was actually super excited to get this product. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it's the Celestial Thunder palette, and from my understanding, this was actually in collaboration with Boxycharm. She does have a larger palette of this, which is called the Celestial Storm, so this is kind of like a mini version of it, and these colors are freaking gorgeous. I will say that I do love Dominique Cosmetics in general. I do have some of her palettes as well as her liquid lipsticks, and her products are actually really great. They're pigmented, they blend really well, so I'm super excited to go ahead and dig into this palette. And this actually retails for $35. Next up here we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I love eye treatment products. I love eye creams. I'm always looking for new ones because I need to take care of my under eyes now that I'm definitely getting a lot older. I did get another eye cream in my premium box, which I'm definitely not mad at. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to giving this a try. I've gotten Juice Beauty products in previous Boxycharm boxes, I believe, and I actually really do like the brand. And this retails for $50. Now I know Juice Beauty is not the cheapest brand out there, but this is how I get my hands on it, through Boxycharm. Next up we have Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Date Night, and I actually absolutely love the formula of Dose of Color liquid lipsticks. They are not over drying. They're actually very comfortable to wear, and this is actually a really pretty color. Let's see. Ooh, this is definitely a color I would wear. The Joseph Color Liquid Lipstick is $18. Next up, we have these Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Mask. This is a set of 2. And these are Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. Warms up in 30 seconds. So definitely looking forward to giving this a try. Hopefully get to do some self-care because this mama definitely needs some time for herself. So I will definitely be using these for that. Next up, I'm actually super excited about this product. I've been wanting to get this from Farsali, but I just have not pulled the trigger. But this is the Rose Gold Skin Mist, and I believe the only people who got this in the base box were those who signed up for the premium box and were taken off the wait list and received their box. So unfortunately not everybody will be getting this in their base box, just for those who received the Boxy Premium. So thank goodness I signed up for mine because now I get to have one of these. So I am really excited to go ahead and give this a try. Let me see. Oh, that smells really good. I almost don't want to use it just because it's so pretty, but I'm definitely going to be using this. And this retails for $39. And then last but not least, we have this little sample product. Like I mentioned, Boxycharm is going to start doing complexion products in their boxes. So this is their way to go ahead and see where you're at. That way they can best match you, so they send you the right shade. So they sent me the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and there are 4 samples here, and I can just go ahead and try them out to see which would best fit my skin tone. And then I just go ahead and let them know. I believe you have to go into your account and just go ahead and let them know. But yeah, that is everything that I received in my box. Let me just go ahead and tally everything up. So this month's box has a total value of $152, and I paid $25. Well, it comes out to about $27 after taxes and everything. But I mean, no brainer. And quite honestly, I am going to definitely be using every single thing in this box. Sometimes there may be like an item in there that I just don't care for, or I don't like, or for whatever reason, I still am not mad at it because everything else that I am receiving in the box for the price that I'm paying for it. It's just, to me, it is a no-brainer. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will go ahead and leave a link in the description box down below. That way, if you do not have Boxycharm, you can definitely check it out and sign up. But that is it for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!